The history of BMW is a fascinating journey of innovation and growth. Founded in 1916, BMW began as a manufacturer of aircraft engines during World War I. After the war, they shifted to motorcycle production in 1923, quickly establishing a reputation for quality and performance. By 1928, BMW ventured into car manufacturing, launching the BMW 315, their first production car. The following decades saw the introduction of iconic models like the BMW 328, a sports car that gained fame in racing circles. The post-war era brought challenges, but BMW reinvented itself, focusing on luxury and performance. In the 1970s and 1980s, BMW solidified its position with models like the 2002 and the 3 Series, capturing the hearts of driving enthusiasts worldwide. The introduction of the M division in 1972 revolutionized performance cars, leading to high-performance versions of their popular models. Today, BMW continues to innovate with a diverse range of vehicles, including sedans, SUVs, and electric models. The introduction of the BMW I Series marked their commitment to sustainability, with electric vehicles like the i3 and i8, showcasing cutting-edge design and technology. Looking ahead, BMW is investing heavily in electric and hydrogen technologies, essential for meeting global sustainability goals. Their upcoming cars, such as the iX and future hydrogen fuel cell models, illustrate a strong commitment to reducing emissions and embracing clean energy sources. This focus on innovative technology is crucial for BMW to remain competitive in the evolving automotive market. As global demands shift towards sustainability, BMW's advancements in EV and hydrogen technology will ensure they continue to be a leader in the industry. In conclusion, BMW's rich history is marked by resilience and innovation. With a strong focus on the future, BMW is poised to maintain its status as one of the most successful car brands in the world, combining tradition with cutting-edge technology to meet the needs of tomorrow.